Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Snapchat account. If you can't log in into your Snapchat account, don't panic. This step-by-step guide will help you recover it quickly and easily. So first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. On the login screen, tap on Login. Next, tap on Forgot Your Password. This is the main recovery option and it works for most users. You'll now see two choices, so recover using your phone number or your email address. So let's start with the phone number method. So enter the number linked to your account. Choose a country. Now, once you've put in your phone number, tap on Continue. Now, Snapchat will send you a verification code via SMS. Once you receive it, type the code into the app. After that, you'll be logged into your account. In some cases, you'll be asked to create a new password. Make sure it's strong but easy to remember and avoid simple passwords like 123456. Now, if you prefer using your email, tap the email option instead. So tap on Forgot Password and choose via email. So enter your registered email address and check your inbox. Tap on Continue. So enter the code sent to your email. Look for a message from Snapchat and open the password recent link inside. So once you open the link, you can set a new password and log back in. But if you don't have access to your phone number or email anymore, this is where many people get stuck. But there's still a way, so go back to the login screen and tap on Need Help. This will take you to Snapchat's support page. And just follow the on screen instructions. If your account was temporarily locked due to unusual activity like too many login attempts or using third party apps, you can unlock it by logging in through Snapchat's official unlock page. So just sign in there and follow the instructions. It usually takes a few minutes. And that's how you can recover your Snapchat account step by step in 2026. Follow these methods and you should be back in your account in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.